Intellective Split and Merge, your all-in-one tool for quickly turning files into manageable pieces while keeping your sanity intact. Starting right from the loan in nCino, drag the documents in the viewer to see each individual page. View, delete, and reorganize pages to have them in the most appropriate order. Zooming in makes it easy to not only see where each document starts and ends, but also the contents of each page. With a few clicks, split the documents into multiple files. Give them a name, and they're ready to download or upload wherever they need to go. Download files or add them directly into file staging. No need to open Adobe or ever leave the nCino application. Click one button and Split and Merge adds the files. Once in file staging, files are like any other nCino document. View files or easily add them to placeholders. Merging documents is just as easy as splitting them. Watch this. Drag in the documents that need to be merged. And with a few clicks, files are merged into one document. Just like previously, easily rename the file and it is ready to go. Add the merged file directly to file staging. View it as one file and add it to placeholders. With Split and Merge, I can get documents onto placeholders quickly without leaving nCino. Whether you are splitting large documents into multiple files or merging documents effortlessly, our integrated solution streamlines the entire process. No more switching between applications or complicated steps. Everything you need is right here within nCino. Intellective Split and Merge, your partner in organizing loan docs with ease.